In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to whitelist IP Salesforce. Whitelisting an IP, or more accurately adding a trusted IP range, tells Salesforce which network addresses you consider safe. Users connecting from those addresses can sign in with fewer interruptions, and you can tighten login policies elsewhere without blocking your team. You'll need admin permissions for this walkthrough. Start by signing in and heading to your Salesforce home. From here, use your quick access controls and click on Open Advanced Setup. That takes you into the setup area where all org level settings live. In the left sidebar search, type in network. This filters the menu so you don't have to hunt through categories. From the results, click on Network Access. On this page, you manage the addresses that Salesforce treats as trusted. Next, click on Trusted IP Ranges to view and maintain the list. If you're adding something new, click on New. If you're updating something that already exists, choose the row you want and click on Trusted IP Range Edit. Either path brings you to the same form. Let's look at the fields you'll work with. First, click on Start IP Address. Enter the beginning of the range you want to allow. Then click on End IP Address and supply the final address in that range. If you are whitelisting a single IP, put the same value in both the Start and End IP address fields. If you are unsure what IP your office or VPN uses, check with your network team or look up your current public IP and confirm it's static before adding it here. Dynamic addresses can change and cause logins to fail later. After the IP values, click on Description. Use this to record why this range exists and who requested it. For example, Corporate HQ Wi-Fi or Vendor Support Tunnel. Clear descriptions help future admins audit entries and remove ones that are no longer needed. When your entries look right, click on Save to apply the change. Salesforce will return you to the Trusted IP Ranges list with your new or updated range visible. If you realize you opened the form by mistake or you want to back out without saving, click on Cancel. When you do intend to keep the change, come back to the form, review the start IP address and end IP address one more time for typos, confirm the description, and click on Save again to finalize. A few practical tips as you work through this. Keep ranges as narrow as possible. Smaller ranges reduce exposure if an address is compromised. Avoid using temporary, hotel, or mobile addresses here. Keep those users on normal login verification instead. If you manage multiple environments, like production and sandboxes, repeat this process in each org because trusted IP ranges don't automatically carry over. And remember that changes take effect immediately. Users on newly added trusted ranges may no longer be prompted for certain verifications, which is expected. To recap the flow you just followed, from home, you used quick access to open advanced setup, typed network in the search, clicked network access, opened trusted IP ranges, and then used either new or trusted IP range edit. You clicked into start IP address, end IP address, and description, then used save or cancel as needed. That's the complete path to whitelist an IP in Salesforce. Thanks for watching. Follow these steps anytime you need to securely allow a new office, data center, or partner network to access your org.